I'm sure you've heard the terms low-code and no-code thrown around a lot lately. But what do they really mean? And is Quickbase one of them? In today's world, businesses are always looking for ways to get more done with less. And that's where low-code and no-code platforms come in. These platforms allow users to create applications without having to write a lot of code. This can be a huge time saver and can help businesses get their applications up and running faster. Thesis. So, is Quickbase a low-code or no-code platform? The answer is, it depends on how you define those terms. What is low-code? Low-code platforms provide a visual development environment that allows users to create applications by dragging and dropping components. This can make it much easier to create applications than writing code from scratch. However, users still need to have some technical knowledge to be able to use low-code platforms effectively. What is no-code? No-code platforms are even more user-friendly than low-code platforms. They don't require any technical knowledge at all. Users can simply drag and drop components to create applications. Is Quickbase low-code or no-code? As I mentioned earlier, the answer to this question depends on how you define those terms. If you define low-code as a platform that requires some technical knowledge, then Quickbase is a low-code platform. However, if you define no-code as a platform that requires no technical knowledge, then Quickbase is not a no-code platform. Quickbase features. Quickbase has a number of features that make it a powerful tool for application development. These features include a drag-and-drop interface that makes it easy to create applications. A wide variety of templates and components that can be used to create different types of applications. A powerful workflow engine that can be used to automate business processes. A robust security system that can be used to protect your data. Quickbase use cases. Quickbase can be used to create a variety of applications, including CRM systems, HR systems, project management systems, Salesforce automation systems, knowledge management systems. Quickbase pricing. Quickbase offers a variety of pricing plans to meet the needs of different businesses. The most basic plan starts at $30 per user per month. So, is Quickbase a low-code or no-code platform? The answer is, it depends on how you define those terms. However, Quickbase is a powerful tool that can be used to create a variety of applications without having to write a lot of code. If you're looking for a way to get your applications up and running quickly, Quickbase is a great option. If you're interested in learning more about Quickbase, I encourage you to visit their website or sign up for a free trial. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and keep learning.